Broad daylight witchcraft. Broad daylight witchcraft. Was a mumu being fancy wunu na damo. One year here, me say, who bet na sorry them so now things in wunu. You will come to church and find nothing wrong with that club, going nothing wrong with that party. That is in this country. Go to poolside party. I'm telling you. Mama Comfort, it's your birthday. May catch it all. And Krofo will pull more in the face of everybody. Open sex. Yeah, party, cantonments, East Legon, North Legon, West Legon. Yeah, there are parties going on here. Sister Nakono Nano would run a party and in a better picture more than a court prison. People are naked in a pool, men and women, and we find nothing wrong with indecent exposure. And when we sit here, make come we say, hey sir, you sit on the internet and you serve pornography instead of the scriptures that is able to bring you life and abundance of life. And nipa and they are faith to it. You have no idea. And on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on generally the internet, it will blow you apart. And see, I come here to now in Habakkuk. You don't even know the word of God. Woman, somewhere as for a drama, I don't want to talk about it. Because Ghana drama, enim ohene, enim suffer, enim minister, enim some ye penny, ye de jumedia, enim, your drama not free. It goes anywhere. You will be shocked that you are bow for so people and offense openly. Also, my worry bra, so I are in today. Sodom and Gomorrah, Babylon. This is Babylonia. Babylon. BBC Ghana Police Service. Do you know we have stripper nightclubs? Nightclubs where people stand openly like this, naked.